Mhm. Mhm. Right. Yeah.
Give HDMI for Camlink. I'll check on YouTube. Alright, it's coming, no? You can hear also. Just say something in the mic. Hello, testing. But it should come here. Alright. Thing that it allows to outside because CCTV everyone should be able to that's why broadcast and yesterday foundation said that it's a Hare Krishna. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Nityanamine
अंगीमागतसहितं नानापुष्पलतापत्रवृक्षसन्निष्टमण्डितं कमलत्परकल्लारधूलिभिसहितं तन्मध्ये रत्नभूमिश्च सूर्यादित्यसमप्रभवनन्तकल्पतरुज्ञायनिर्गं प्रेमवर्षिणं माणिक्यं शिखरालम्बितं मध्ये मणिमण्डप नानारत्नगणेशचित्रं सर्वरत्नसुविराजितं नानारत्नवसच्चित्रं पितायनपशोभितं रत्नतोरणगोपुरं माणिक्यं चादनन्दितः कोटिसूर्यसमाभासविरुद्धशक्तगरं विगै तन्मध्ये रत्नखचितं भूषणं महा ॐ सत्पुण्डरीकनयनं मेधात्यं वैदताम्बरं देवतं श्याममुद्राढ्यं परमादिनेश्वरं दिव्यमलङ्काररूपेण सखिभिः चिदानन्दं कृष्णराधारिविग्रहं मे कृष्णश्रीघनश्यामपूर्णानन्दकलेवरं देवतं सर्वदा दिव्यवृन्दारण्यकल्पतरुणः श्रीमद्रत्नागारसिंहासनस्थो श्रीमद्राधाशीलगोविन्ददेवपेशालिविशेषमानस्मरामि ॐ तप्तगन्धर्वगौराङ्गे राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरि श्रीसुधानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे प्रवचन ओम सर्वं त्रयमेव सर्ववेदमिदं तत् आत्मस्थाय परम शुद्धम आसनं कल्पयाम्यहं चिदम् आसनम् ओम सदानन्दोहितोऽस्मिन् सकलं जीवितं तुमे जदातस्मेन चिदानन्दमयत्वं स्वागतं सुस्वागतम् ओम जत्थन्तिरेश संवर्ग परमानन्द संपदा तस्मै परमशानं पाद्यं शुद्धाय कल्पते पादं पादं समर्पयामि ओम हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम हरे हरे ओम तावत्रयहरं विष्णुं परमानन्दलक्षणं तापत्रयविमुक्ताय अद्यं कल्पयाम्यहमिदं प्रवर्तयामि हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्णा Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. बैठिए बैठिए सभी लोग बैठिए. हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा. सभी लोग को विनती है बैठिए बैठिए. अभी क्लास है. भाई जो पत्तू के साथ मनोरंजन करना है. तो महाराज को हरे कृष्णा. हरे कृष्णा. सभी लोग को विनती है. बैठिए बैठिए. माता जी भी बैठ जाइए. Please kindly sit here for last now.
Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya.
नित्यानित्यानां चेतनश्चेतनानां
Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudiraye Nasta Praeshu Avatareshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya Bhagavati Uttamo Sloke Bhagavati Nastite. So today is the auspicious day. Today is the divine appearance day of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Balaram. So on this occasion, we will read from 10th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam. So we will be reciting a verse, canto 10, chapter 2, chapter 10, that is clear by the name of God from Lord Krishna. Text number 13. It's not written on the board. Those who are by phone and have those books in their mobile, you can repeat after me. Bhargava Sankarsanatam Vai. You can repeat. Prabhu Sankarsanam Rupi Bhuvi. Rameti Gopurama Ramona. Balabhastram Balashraya. Bhargava Sankarsanatam Vai. Prabhu Sankarsanam Bhuvi. Rameti Gopuramana Balabhastram Balashraya Bhargava Sankarsanatam Vai. Prabhu Sankarsanam Bhuvi. Rameti Gopuramana Balabhastram Balashraya. Bhargava Sankarsana. Because we will be taken from the womb of devotee to that of Rohini. Come. You can repeat, okay, come. Him. Rohini Nanda. The son of Rohini. Boy. Indeed. Prabhu. People will walk. Sankarsanam. By the name Sankarsana. Bhuvi. In the world. Ramiti. It also be called Ram. Loka Rama. Because of his special mercy. descend from the womb of Devaki to the womb of Brahma will be called Rama because of his ability to please all the inhabitants of Gokula, and will be known as Balabhadra because of his extensive physical strength. Purport. These are some of the reasons why Balaram is known as Sankarshan, Balaram, or sometimes Ram. In the Mahamantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. People sometimes object when Rama is accepted as Balaram. But although devotees of Lord Ram may object, they should know that there is no difference between Balaram and Lord Ram. Here Srimad Bhagavatam clearly says that Balaram is also known as Ram, Ram is he. Therefore, it is not artificial for us to speak of Lord Balaram as Lord Ram. Raja Goswami also speaks of three Rams, Parshuram, Raghupati Ram, and Balaram. All of them are Ram. Kupamurati Vasalam Kundulam Haite Yatipāsamam Vande Sri Guru Niragarinam Paramananda Madhavam Sri Chaitanya Devasaram. Hare Krishna. Please chant loudly. Hare Krishna. Raising your two hands. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Ram. Hare Ram. Ram Ram. Hare Hare. Balaram Jayanti Mahamotsav ki. Shri Krishna Balaram ki. Vrindavan Ram ki. Om Namaste. So welcome everyone for the auspicious celebration of Balaram Jayanti. On this auspicious day, Lord Balaram appeared almost 5,000 years ago in Vrindavan Dham. So Srila Prabhupada is writing in the purport the names of Lord Balaram. In Hare Krishna Mahamantra, there is a mention of Ram. So, what is that Ram means to all of us? The Prabhupada says Ram means Balaram. Ram means Raghupati Ram. And Ram also means Parshuram. So why Prabhupada is mentioning this? Because people may think which Ram is this. There are three varieties of Ram. But our Gaudiya Vaishnava Acharyas, they have given another direction of this name Ram. Ram means Radharani and Mom is Madhusudan. So when Ram and Madhusudan Krishna enjoy their pastime in the Kunja, that is known as Ram. So Ram also means Krishna. One of the name of Krishna is Ram. So how many Ram? 4. Okay. So first Ram means the common popular is Raghupati Ram. Second is Balaram. Third is Parshuram. And the Gaudiya Vaishnavas, Ram means Radharam, Ram means Krishna. Okay. So Balaram is the Supreme Personality of God. Krishna is also the Supreme Personality of God. There is no difference between Krishna and Balaram. But there is a difference also. This is known as Achintya Veda Tattva. Simultaneous oneness and difference. is known as Sevya Bhagavan, and other one is known as Shiva Bhagavan. Shiva Bhagavan is who accepts service, and Shiva Bhagavan is who renders service. So Krishna is Sevya Bhagavan, and Balaram is Shiva Bhagavan. In Chaitanya Charitamrita there is explained, Ikela Ishvara Krishna Arsha Nitya. Only master is Krishna. Why? Because he is the only person who is expected to accept service. And everybody else, including Balaram, are expected to render service to Krishna. Clear? Clear to all of you? Those who have understood and it is clear to all of you, please raise your hand. So Balaram is Shiva Bhagavan, Supreme Personality of Servitor God. Why? Because his mood is to serve Krishna. What is our position as a living entity? Our position is also service. The constitutional position of the jiva, what is the constitutional position? Not servant, eternal servant. It's not that we have a concept sometimes. Now we are servant, and after perfection we become master. It's not like that. Krishna is the eternal master, and all the jivas are the eternal servants of that eternal Supreme Personality of God. Nothing is going to change. You are accepting it? How many of you accept this philosophy of Krishna consciousness? Very good. So we don't want to become God, right? At least try not to become God. Why we are in this material world? Because we want to become God. That's why we are in the material world. Those who do not want to become Supreme Lord, they are in the spiritual world. So there are two worlds, material world and spiritual world. So hope you accept this also. How many of you accept there are two kinds of world? How many of you believe that we are in the spiritual world now? Now yes. Very good. So Prabhupada said that ISKCON temples are Vaikuntha. Yesterday also I was talking. Those who stay in the forest, those who stay in the village, they are in the mode of goodness. Those who stay in cities and towns, they are in mode of action. And those who stay in brothels, clubs, they are in the mode of ignorance. And those who are inside in Krishna temple of the International Society of Krishna Consciousness, they are in Vaikuntha. You are not happy? Happy means more louder. Happy is more louder. Because today is the day of Balaram. You will say that Ram is always happy. How many of you want to be happy?
Yes.
How many of you know how to become happy?
Yes.
Okay. Process is very simple. Stay with those who are happy. So who is most happy? Lord Balaram. And those who are connected with Lord Balaram, they will be happy or miserable? Happy. Simple principle. In order to be happy, we have to be connected with Balaram. And how you can connect with Balaram? By chanting the holy name of the Lord. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram.
So Balaram So Balaram appeared on Balaram Jayanti Purnima day. Today is Purnima. And after 7 days, on Janmashtami, Krishna is appeared. So Krishna is 7 days younger. It is some places said 1 year, 7 days younger. That is some difference of opinion. Because of different path, it will happen. So all of you know, yesterday also we discussed that 6 sons of Devaki were brutally killed by Kamsa. And then Lord Balaram appeared in the womb of Devaki. But we know Balaram was born from the womb of Ramini. Balaram is known as Ramini Nanda. How did that happen? That is the mystery of the appearance of the Supreme Personality of God. So Balaram appeared in the womb of Devaki and stayed there for 7 months in the womb of Devaki. And at that time, Krishna called Yogamaya and told her that my expansion Balaram is residing in the womb of Mother Devaki. Now you go and transfer Balaram from the womb of Devaki to the womb of Ravi. Possible? We transfer fund, we transfer messages by electronic medium. This is a transcendental transfer. The child can be also transferred. That is the incomparable potency of the Supreme Personality of God. Why Balaram was transferred? Because Mathura was the safe place. And also, Balaram is the son of Ravi. Both the things have to be known. So Yogamaya transferred the baby Balaram from the womb of Devaki to the womb of Ravi. And then Balaram continued to stay in the womb of Ravini for another 7 months. So Balaram was there in the womb for how many months? 7 months in the womb of Devaki and 7 months in the womb of Ravini. Clear? You will not get this information in Bhagavatam. Jiva Goswami explains this in Gopal Chami. And on this auspicious day, Balaram Purnima day, Lord Balaram appeared. And after 7 days, Krishna appeared. Then Nanda Maharaj thought there should be name giving ceremony. And who will do that? Gargamuni. Gargamuni was invited. But Gargamuni said it is not a good idea to have public function, because if Kamsa comes to know, then he will suspect and he will kill both Krishna and Balaram. Both the children he will kill. Then how to do it? Idea was given that it will be done in Gosala. Nanda Maharaj Gosala. And Gosala is a place people will not come to know what's going on. And then the ceremony was done in that Gosala. And Balaram has 3 names here mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. One is Sankarshan, second is Ram or Balaram, and third is Balavadra. 3 names. And meaning is also there. Why he is known as Sankarshan? Because he was attracted to the womb of Rohini from the womb of Devata. That's why he is known as Sankarshan. And he is known as Ram. Why? He gives pleasure to the Brajavasis and also he gives pleasure to other devotees. That's why he is known as Ram, Balaram. And he is also known as Balabhadra. Why Balabhadra? Because he is extremely powerful. He has a lot of strength. That's why he is known as Balabhadra. So Balaram is the original Guru. He is the original spiritual master. Why? Because spiritual master serves Krishna and engages others in the service of Krishna. And Balaram, being the past expansion of Krishna, he is also having that mood and that activity of serving Krishna. So in Vrindavan, Krishna is served in 5 different rasas. Santarasa, Dasarasa, Sakhyarasa, Vasalarasa, and Madhurasa. Right? You know all this, right? How many of you know this? Very good. Santa means neutrality. Dasya means servitorship. Sakhya means friendship. Vatsala means parenthood. And Madhurya means conjugal. 5 different rasas, primary rasas, are there in Goloka Vrindavan. And there are devotees in 5 different rasas and serve Krishna. But Balaram is a special personality. Why? Because he serves Krishna in all 5 different rasas. That is the position of Balaram. That's why he is the best servant of the Supreme Personality of God. In Santarasa, how he serves? Holy Dham is expansion of Balaram. Vrindavan is expansion of Balaram. This temple is also Balaram. The pillars are also Balaram. The altar is Balaram. The pillows are Balaram. The flute is Balaram. Dresses are Balaram. Whatever is there with Krishna, that is Balaram. So in that way, Balaram serves in Santarasa. How he is serving as servant? Dasarasa. He is elder. Although he is elder, but he does not think he is master. Although he is elder brother, but he has the mood that I am the servant of Krishna. When Krishna becomes tired, Balaram gives massage to his lotus feet also. So in that way, Balaram serves as the servant of Krishna. Friend, that is the most common feature of Balaram. Krishna and Balaram, they spend time in the mood of Sakhya Bhava. That is the primary mood of Balaram. Then Balaram, being the elder brother, also serves as the father. The elder brother is like a father. Mother Yashoda has a lot of confidence that Krishna will be protected. Why? Because Balaram is. So in that way, Balaram serves Krishna in the parental mood. Now, how Balaram can serve in conjugal melo? In order to serve conjugal melo, devotee has to be in the female form. But Balaram is a male form. How he can serve Krishna in that mood? That's why Balaram expands himself as Ananda Manjari and serves Krishna in the mood of conjugal melo. So in this way, Balaram serves Krishna in 5 different rasas. Okay? Clear to all of you? So Balaram is the original Supreme Personality. He is not original Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is the original Supreme Personality of Cervical Godhead. He is the original Guru. Why? Because he is the original servant of the original Supreme Personality of God. Is clear to all of you? Is accepted? Hare Krishna. Thank you very much. Then, yesterday we were discussing, we will also discuss today, then what is the difference between Krishna and Balaram? You already understood the difference? But there is a debate going on within Prabhupada's time. What is the debate? Topic of the debate is what is the difference between Krishna and Balaram? Prabhuji group, Mataji group. Okay. Debate was going on. Prabhuji group said what is the difference between Krishna and Balaram? Krishna is black and Balaram is white. Different. It's right or wrong? Right. Then the Mataji group said Krishna has Radharani in him, but Balaram does not have Radharani. That's the difference. So, is another good proposal? So, debate was going on and on, no conclusion. Then once again decided Prabhupada brought the topic to Srila Prabhupada. That Prabhupada, here is Dharma Sankat, here is some dilemma. The topic is what is the difference between Krishna and Balaram. He said, Prabhuji side, they are telling Krishna is black and Balaram is white. Prabhupada said they are right. Then Mahati side, they are telling Krishna is Radha-Raman, but Balaram is not Radha-Raman. Prabhupada said they are also right. Then this senior disciple said, how come both the party can be right, Prabhupada? Prabhupada said, you are also right. So that is the spiritual world. Spiritual world means simultaneously many things can be right. But in this world, in order to establish one thing right, other thing has to be wrong. This is the inconceivable nature of the spiritual world. So Krishna and Balaram are simultaneously same, at the same time different. Okay? Clear and accepted? If you are clear, then say Hari Bol. It is very clear, more louder. Then I am trying to keep you awake. Hare Krishna. So then, Balaram, what is the quality? Krishna has unlimited qualities. Rupa Goswami says Krishna has 64 qualities. Every living entity at the perfection level, they have 50 qualities in minor quantity. Lord Shiva has 55 qualities. Lord Vishnu has 60 qualities. And Krishna has 64 qualities. 4 qualities extra. And these are related to sweetness of Krishna in Vrindavan. Lord has 2 aspects, Aishwarya and Madhurya, opulences and sweetness. Krishna shows his opulence in Vaikuntha and Krishna exhibits his sweetness in Vrindavan. Okay. What is the meaning of sweetness? It's like the sweetness of Rasgulla, Rasmalai. That is the meaning of sweetness. Krishna is very sweet, like Rasmalai. It's not like that. Sweetness of Krishna cannot be compared with anything in this material world. But to give an idea, Acharya has explained about the sweetness of Krishna. Sweetness means intimacy of relationship between Krishna and his devotees and Vrindavan. That is the sweetest part. Relationship makes our life sweeter than any sweets. of this material world and spiritual world. So relationship is most important, and that relationship is very, very intimate in Vrindavan. Vrindavan is the home of Krishna, and Vaikuntha is the office of Krishna. Okay? How many of you like to be at home? We like to be at home. We just finish our work at office and come back to home, feeling well. It's not a place to be relaxed. So Krishna is like that. One Western man came to see who is God in India. And he was roaming around different temples and saw different forms. And when he was going away, he disclosed to the reporter that I accept Krishna as God. He said, why? You get it like that? He said, wherever I went, I saw they are having a lot of activities and they are very busy. Having workers in their hand, this and that, they are very busy managing their life. But when I went to see Krishna, I saw this personality has no business. He is playing good and enjoying like anything. He must be God. And that God is the God of Vrindavan. That is Krishna. So four sweetnesses Krishna has. What are the four sweetnesses? Four sweetnesses. Number one, first is Rupa Madhavi, second is Lila Madhavi, third is Venu Madhavi, and fourth is Prema Madhavi. What is Rupa Madhavi? Rupa Madhavi means Krishna is very, very sweet in his form. His form is very, very sweet. Very beautiful. Rupa Madhavi. Second is Lila Madhavi. Krishna's pastimes are also very, very sweet. Venu Madhavi. Krishna's food is also very sweet. The vibration, sounds of flow. And his devotees are also very, very sweet. So Balaram also has this four qualities, but not to the fullest extent. Lord Balaram also has these four Madhurijas, but not to the extent Krishna has. That's why there is a difference between Krishna and Balaram. For your information, Balaram also plays flute. Balaram also performs Ras Leela. All these things are also there. Balaram's gopis are different. Krishna's gopis are different, and Balaram's gopis are different. But when you talk about Ras Leela, we don't talk about Balaram's Ras Leela. We talk about Krishna. So how many gopis danced with Krishna while Krishna was dancing with the gopis in Ras Leela? You know the number? How many? There are two performances. One is normal Ras Leela that regularly happens, and another one is Maha Ras Leela, the grand celebration. Okay? So normal Ras Leela, maybe you know the number 16,108. That figure is very common to all of us. But when Maha Ras Leela happened, how many gopis danced with Krishna? 3 billion gopis. According to Vishwanath Chakravarti. 3 billion means 300 crores. What is the population of India now? 140 crores. You can understand the number, right? And when we discuss this in Vrindavan, devotees are wonderstruck how so many people are accommodated in such a small place. That is the inconceivable potency of the Supreme Personality of God. For how long Krishna danced in Maharashtra Leela? How long? I heard yesterday you are also dancing in the Harinam Sankirtan. Dr. Sir Pandit, Mahaprabhu's associate, used to dance continuously 72 hours. But how long Krishna was dancing to the devotees? You know? 1 night of Brahma. I don't know how many of you know the duration of 1 night of Brahma. How many of you know there are 4 sugars? Please raise your hand. Okay. Satya Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dapur Yuga and what is the duration of Kali Yuga? 4,32,000 years. What is the duration of Dwapar Yuga? It is simple mathematics. 4,32,000 multiplied by 2, 8,64,000. What is the duration of Treta Yuga? 4,32,000 multiplied by 3, 12,96,000. And what is the duration of Satya Yuga? 4,32,000 multiplied by 4, 17,28,000 years. And if you add up, 43,20,000 years. If duration of 4 yugas are added up, that is known as 1 Chatur Yuga or 1 Dipur Yuga. That is 43,20,000 years. Just like 6 seasons rotate, just like these 4 yugas also rotate in a cycle. Satya, Treta, Dapur, Kali, Satya, Treta, Dapur, Kali, like that. When this rotation takes place for 1,000 times, that is 1 night of Brahma. Okay? So 1 night of Brahma means 43,20,000 years multiplied by 1,000. And Krishna was dancing with what that is. How many of you can do that? Okay. People think, oh, this time so many movies, why not you also dance? Okay, dance. But dance after 1 hour, 2 hours, you will be tired. And you will sleep. You cannot imitate. And you will okay. So, Krishna is very sweet in our time. Balaram is also very sweet in his pastime. First weakness and then okay. How long? Another 15 minutes. And after that, other will start. So are you ready to hear another 15 minutes? I will give some time for your questions also. I heard that you all become devotees by 1 or 2 online classes. How many of you become devotees by online classes? Very good. Now we have the opportunity to ask on-site questions. You are very expert in asking online questions, but you can ask also on-site questions, best questions. So, you ask question or not? Okay. Not now. Keep the mic, use the mic when I tell, okay? So Krishna, when he was born, immediately after that, Kamsa used to send demons to kill. To that I want to dress like you. So Krishna gave his dress to Peacock Feather. So Balaram dressed like Krishna. And that day was the day of Kesi dinner. So Kesi came to Vrindavan and he asked also people coming to Kamusha, how can I identify Krishna? It's very simple. He gave the description of Krishna. What kind of clothes he wears. And he has a cloak, he has a peacock feather. What description was given? But that day, Balaram was dressing as Krishna. Bad luck for Balaram. So Keshi was searching for Krishna and he saw Balaram in that dress of Krishna. This is Krishna. So he started running and gave a kick to Balaram. And getting that kick, Balaram was taken up. And he started running and came to Krishna. He said, your dress is very dangerous. I got the kick. So Acharya is explaining, when the servant wants to become the master, what will you get? You get the kick. So we are all getting kicks here in this material world. Kick after kick, sometimes we like the kick also. That's why we are still continuing. Getting kick after kick, but we like to stay in this world. That is also the powerful effect of mind. We are always getting kicks, right or wrong? Right or wrong? But still, we like to be here. Why? Because we forget. I was giving a lecture that what they told us is these are the problems of our life. Then somebody asked, I was giving a lecture in Australia, and somebody asked, how come work is such a misery? How it can be dukkha? We celebrate happy birthday. How it can be miserable? Then I explained, who gives birth and who takes birth? What they do, they give birth, both of them cry. Why people cry? Out of happiness. Who is giving birth is also miserable, and who is taking birth also is in a miserable condition. And doctors say, if the child cries, then it's normal. If the child does not cry, something abnormal. So this is the world of crying. We come into this world crying, and when we die, we cry. And in between birth and death, what do we do? We only cry. This is the word. Dukkhalayam. But we want to make Dukkhalayam Sukhalayam. Possible? Not possible. If you want to drink water in the desert, possible? You can give seminar after seminar that there will be water in the desert. Water cannot be in the desert. Water cannot be in the desert. Sometimes people say you are too negative. Approach is very negative. You should have positive approach towards your life. Right? Positive. So there is no water in the desert. It's positive or negative? It is neither positive nor negative. It is a reality. Bhagavad Gita does not talk about negative. Bhagavad Gita does not talk about positive. Bhagavad Gita talks about reality. So human life is meant to know what is the reality. So reality is crying and getting kicks, kick after kick from whom? From everywhere, and sometimes from near and near. Right or wrong? That is the nature of this world. Why we are getting the kicks? Why Balaram got the kick from Keshi? Because he wanted to be Krishna. That's why he got also want to be like. So, journey to become God is the cause of receiving wonderful gifts of the spiritual world. That's why you have to stop that journey of becoming God. Prabhupada said we should start the journey of becoming godly. We should try to become godly, not God. We should become the devotee of Krishna. So by this pastime, Balaram is teaching us, don't try to become God. Okay? And Prabhupada said, if someone wants to become God, if the Guru wants to become God, he does not become God, he becomes something opposite. I don't know if you say that. So that is the conclusion. So Balaram as the Adi Guru, the original Guru is teaching us, don't try to become Krishna. Guru should remain as a servant of Krishna. Guru is also the eternal servant of Krishna. Okay. I think time is up, right? No, time is up. So one, so let us open for question and answer. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Balaram Mahamasa Vade, Balaram ki, Balaram ki, somebody should coordinate, please raise his hand and give the mic. Okay. And last question, what we discussed here, that will be good.
Respectful, one observation I have observed while reading the Shastra. Krishna has four qualities which cannot be exhibited by anyone else. So one day Balaram wanted to, and Raslila is one of them. Balaram wanted to see the Raslila to Krishna, but Krishna was not agreeing to accept it. Then one day finally he said, okay, you are you willing with me and you will watch the Raslila. I think this is what I have.
Why do you write this? I don't know where in there, but Balaram also had Ras Leela. That is also explained by our acharyas, the Shastra. But Balaram does Ras Leela with different categories of gopis. Krishna has separate gopis and Balaram has separate. That is the
Hare Krishna Balaji. Balaji, I have one question. How to get mercy of Allah?
how to get mercy of Balaram? Very good question. You have to your hand. By the mercy of Krishna, we get Guru. Then, how to get the mercy of Balaram? Balaram is the original Guru. The qualification to receive the mercy of Guru is he has to be sincere. Sincerity attracts mercy. And what is the meaning of sincerity? Sincerity means giving 100% of Krishna. That is the meaning of sincerity. Sincerity is not a sentimental word. I am sincere. He is also sincere. Everybody is sincere. Mother Jashoda was sincere. And she showed her sincerity practically. She started to find Krishna early in the morning. So getting up early in the morning is one symptom of sincerity in devotional service. Gopal expected to join in Mangalarati. Even Mother Jashoda does Mangalarati. Okay. She started the journey to find Krishna early in the morning and she completed her service in the evening. She could find Krishna in the evening. Whole day, Mother Jashoda was busy in service. That is the symptom of sincerity. Giving 100% for Krishna. Then we can receive the mercy of the Guru in the form of Balaram. Hare Krishna.
Maharaj,
Yes.
all over the world where Srila Prabhupada opened temples, he installed Sri Sri Radha Krishna as the main deity. In Sri Vrindavan Dham, why did Srila Prabhupada install Krishna Balaram as the main deity?
Very good. I heard that is the place where we got the land, that is the place of Krishna Balaram's pastime. That is the place where Krishna Balaram performed their pastimes. Therefore, Prabhupada thought it will be suitable to have Krishna Balaram at Raman Reddy of Hare Krishna. But generally, Prabhupada never encouraged Krishna Balaram Reddy. He mostly encouraged Jagannath Baladev Subhadra Maharani, Gaur Nitai, that is the Krishna Balaram was very, very special because that place was very, very special in Vrindavan. That's why Krishna is Prabhupada is Krishna Balaram.
Hare Krishna, Guru Maharaj. Just one thing, Sankrishna explained to me as to why the movement from Yashodhamani to Nandi.
From Devaki to Devaki.
Sorry. From Devaki to Devaki. The wonder perhaps what does actually Sankrishna mean?
Sankarsana means akarshana, means attractive. Because Yogamaya attracted the womb, the baby Balaram from Mother Devaki's womb to the womb of Brahma. Akarshana, there is no Sankarsana.
Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Any more questions?
I think time is up. I got the indication, time is up. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Prabhupada ki jai, Krishna Balaram ki jai, Vrindavan Dham ki jai, Jai Gopamanande.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Ram Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. जो भी भक्तों का आज क्या होने वाला है, आप उधर रुकेंगे, बाकी जो भक्त है, आप थोड़ा सबको लगा दीजिए, कोई आसन लगाने हैं, कोई प्रिपरेशन करनी है, तो आप कीजिएगा, और जितनी इच्छा होने वाली है, आपको आज कुछ खाना नहीं है, और थोड़ा दूर जाएंगे, 11 बजे के बाद, फिर पहले आसन लगाएंगे, तो हमारी घटना में तो आप सब देख रहिएगा, और पास में रहिएगा, बाकी चलिए और अपना पानी करिए।